Pregnancy is a time of joy and anticipation, but also one of caution, especially when it comes to diet. Certain foods can pose risks to the developing baby, so it's crucial to know which ones to avoid. High-mercury fish should be at the top of the list. Mercury is a toxic substance that can lead to developmental delays and brain damage in babies. Pregnant individuals should steer clear of shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish. Undercooked or raw foods are another group to avoid due to the risk of harmful bacteria and parasites. This includes sushi, rare or undercooked meats, and raw eggs. These can contain salmonella or toxoplasmosis, which can cause serious health issues for both mother and child. Unpasteurized foods, which may carry bacteria like listeria, can lead to miscarriage or severe illness. Avoid unpasteurized milk, cheeses like brie, camembert and blue-veined varieties, and unpasteurized juice. Always opt for pasteurized products to stay safe. High-caffeine beverages are also on the caution list. Excessive caffeine intake can increase the risk of miscarriage and low birth weight. Limit coffee, tea, and energy drinks, sticking to a moderate amount of less than 200 milligrams per day. Navigating pregnancy nutrition can be challenging, but avoiding these foods will help ensure the health and safety of both the expectant parent and the baby. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice.